All right, this is what I made in lieu of the stoplight. That one I banged up pretty good. Man, I got one up there, held in with magnets. I'm fixing to drag the drill up here. There is a welder. And I'll be back. All right, got those ground down, or I got them welded, tack welded in all the way around. Then we'll take the hoods off, we'll grind them all down, get that school bus off of there, and then we'll, can't see that one through there. And then we will fiberglass these in, and then get them blocked down smooth, and then hit them with some light Bondo. All right, I got them two ground down, ready for fiberglass. And then I'll see how much I got left to see if I can do those two. But I know I got enough to do them, so we'll do those two first. All right, we're ready for our first coat of Bondo. We're gonna Bondo that whole thing all the way across, and then block sand it back down. We'll be back. All right, we're about 90% done with that. I got some spot putty, filling in some little pinholes and crevices I don't like. I'll get them sanded down, and then we'll get our last coat of high build, and then block sand it with some 600, maybe 5. We'll see what happens. All right, got the high build on it. We'll go ahead and block sand that. We got some heavy spots that I deliberately put in there to fill in a couple of holes. You can see that wrinkle right there. That's to fill in a crack. And then we'll block sand that down and see what it looks like. Alright, there's the front of the bus painted. I had to wet sand that piece. Had a little bit of a run in it. There's the roof. That's just the front. The rest of it's got to be taped off down the sides. I got room for my big old chrome bumper here. Big old Texas bumper, 18 inches. So that'll be, I got to get a couple pieces of plate to bolt to the bumper, and then set up there and mark the holes. And then I'll space the plate away from the bumper so I can get bolts behind the plate to bolt to those holes. Right there and right there. Then we'll have us a working bumper. Them are LED turn signals and parking lights. I got to work on those lights up there. I've actually got these cab lights. I got 5 of them. Kenworth cab lights, LED. So those are goes across the top. And my Progressive Dynamics converter went bad. I don't know if you guys... there's not a picture of it in here. It converts the 110 to 12 to power all your 12-volt accessories. It went bad. So, I mean, they were on the ball sending me a new one. I mean, I got it in like 3 days. Now I got to package the other one up and send it back. But other than that, we're just plugging along.